In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a USDC token voucher using your Binance account. Before we dive into the process, it's important to have your Binance account ready and set up for a seamless experience. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one and complete any necessary verifications before proceeding. Now, let's get started. First, you need to log into your Binance account. Open up your preferred web browser or the Binance app and type in your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard where you can access all your trading and account features. Next, head over to the Rewards Hub. This is where Binance provides various rewards options to its users. A quick tip here: if you have trouble locating the Rewards Hub, you can usually find it under your account menu or settings, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with your account layout. Once inside the Rewards Hub, you'll want to navigate to the Points section. This section contains a list of rewards you can redeem with points you've accrued from your activities on Binance. Scan through the list and locate the USDC token voucher. These vouchers allow you to obtain USDC, a popular stablecoin, using your Binance points. When you found the USDC token voucher, look for the option to either redeem or claim it. Click on this button to move forward with the process. At this point, you'll need to decide how many points you want to use. If Binance allows partial redemption, you can redeem only a portion of your points if you prefer. Carefully enter the number of points you wish to use. With this decision made, you are almost done. It's time to confirm the redemption. Double check your selections and the number of points you've entered to ensure everything is accurate. Then click on the confirmation button to finalize your redemption. This step is crucial, as once you confirm, your points are deducted and the transaction is processed. After you have confirmed the redemption, your new USDC voucher will either be credited directly to your spot wallet, or it might be listed under vouchers for you to use at a later time. If it's added to your spot wallet, you can start using it right away for trading or other transactions. However, if it's under vouchers, make sure to keep track of it so you can apply it when you're ready. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to redeem a USDC token voucher on Binance. Remember to regularly check the Rewards Hub for new and exciting offers. Thank you for watching and happy investing.